Let me show you how to use all gestures and motions on Honor 600 Pro. So we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. We can then navigate into accessibility features right here and then go to to shortcuts and gestures right there. From here we can find shortcuts first, so let's click on this one right here, which is press and hold power button, and then you can get a power menu, which allows you to power off your device or call out Google Assistant. You can choose whichever option you like, then hold this power button, and then you'll be able to perform the action that you assigned. After that, we have double press power button to launch camera and instantly take a photo, or pick any of the other shortcuts from this list. So if you do it, you need to double press on the power button quickly, and that way you can perform the action that you assigned it. Then there's double press volume down button when the screen is off, and then you can again launch camera and take a photo, or pick any other shortcut. You just need to lock your device and then double press on the volume down button. After that we have gestures, and here first option is screenshot or AI memories. If you enter it, you'll be able to see all of the shortcuts for screenshots. There's plenty of them. So first one, you need to knock on your screen like this when the option is enabled to capture a screenshot. The other option is partial screenshot, so you knock once with your knuckle and then you draw a shape, then it will take the screenshot of that shape. Then there's a scroll shot. If you knock and draw S on the screen, then it will make a scrollable screenshot. And then there's the option to slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to also capture a screenshot with AI memories. That way it will be safe in your AI memories tab. I've made a dedicated video for AI memories. If you're interested, you can watch it. Now let's move on to the record screen, and here you will need to use 2 knuckles when the option is enabled. To start recording your screen, you can also stop it the same way. Next thing is screen on and off, and there's 3 options inside. Raise to wake. When you enable it, you'll be able to lock your screen, lift your phone with your hand, and then the screen will wake up automatically. Double tap to wake. When your screen is off, you can double tap. That way you'll be able to wake up your screen. Double tap to turn off screen works the same way but in reverse. So if you waked up screen in any of the options from the top, you'll be able to lock it again by double tapping. Next is drag app content. Now this again will use Magic Portal. So what you can do is check which apps support it. For example, Instagram. If you have Instagram opened, you'll be able to click and hold onto the text or specific image, and then while holding it, you can drag it to the sidebar that will open, and then save it in your Magic Portal. You'll be able to access it there as well. And as again, I've made a dedicated video about it, so if you're interested about Magic Portal, you can watch it on my channel. And next thing is mute ringtones and reduce volume. If you select this option, you can flip your phone to mute ringtone. So if you're receiving a call, you can flip your phone so that the screen faces the other way, and then the call will be muted. And you can enable raise to decrease volume. So if your phone is on the table and you receive a call, you can lift it, and then the call will be muted. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.